First, go into Gtag or whatever game you're doing and record your pose. Then go into your editing app and screenshot the pose you like. Go into Ibis Paint X. Press the plus and set the ratio to this. Hit Create. Press the little layer button at the bottom. Press Import Photo from Library and import your background. Go back to Import Photo and put in the screenshot from earlier. Size it to your liking. If you don't have a green screen, you can get the lasso tool on the left side and crop you out like this. If you have a green screen, you can go to the top layer and get the bucket tool. Now go to the layer with you on. Press the button on top and press Cut. Then remove selected area. If there is still green around you, I like to change default background for a quick second and erase all the green. Now I like to resize or reposition. Next, I press the bottom left button and use filter. I use this to readjust the color and make everything a better quality. Now add a layer above you. Press the clipping arrow at the bottom and change the layer type to multiply. Now color pick your color and go to the circle and make the color darker than your shade. Go to brushes and get the airbrush. What I like to remember is, where is the light coming from and where is the shadow? Now with the airbrush, lightly shade where the shadow will be. Now add a layer above and clip it down. Set the layer type to add. With this, you'll shade where the light is coming from or where is just brighter. And since I have a light, I'm going to make another layer and do something similar with orange. Now it'll match or blend in. Now, if you want, you can add text or photos. Then you're done.